Hey everybody, today we've got a lift cylinder for the 3-point on a Kioti NX5510. This is the one of the two cylinders that lifts up the 3-point arms on the back of the tractor. As you can see, this is an unserviceable cylinder. It generally looks like this when it's put together, but I took it to a machine shop and had them use a lathe to separate the end off of it. Once that's separated, this little C-clip right here will be right in here, and it connects to the end of this. It actually goes like this. It sits inside of this. This sits inside of this tube, and then this clip goes over the end of it here. So the unserviceable cylinder it's not unserviceable, but unless you have a lathe or a way to cut that end of the cylinder off, it is not serviceable. Within the cylinder here, there are, this is your wiper seal. This is the one that goes right up here on the top. This is the one that catches all the dirt and debris. You can see it's pretty nasty here. And then this is the rod seal that goes on the inside. It's a, I don't know if you can see it here. It is a splits. It's a one-piece seal, but it's got a groove in the bottom of it. So once I get these two seals, I'll pop those in there, and you can see that they go right down in here. Let me get a screwdriver. They go right down in here in this groove. This is where the rod seal goes, and then this is where that wiper seal on the top goes. So once I get these two seals, we will we'll be able to get this cylinder put back together, and we'll re-weld that cap. You know, we'll put it all back together, and then we'll re-weld the cap back on here. And then we should be good to go. If anybody's interested, I'm going to go ahead and measure this rod seal here. It's about 2.28, 2.27, 2.27, and then this one about 2.27. No, that's 2.17 on this one. Outside diameter. Here, let me get some of this stuff out of my way. Outside diameter. .59, 2.6. Let me see here. Looks like 2.57. 2.57 is what the outside diameter on that's going to be. And then the width is going to be basically 0.4. 0.405. .410 maybe. So, yep, that's how you rebuild the cylinder, the lift arm cylinder on a NX5510 tractor. Thanks.